Keno is a lottery-style game of chance that originated in ancient China. Today, it's available both online and in land-based casinos around the world. The concept is simple. You choose numbers from a board or ticket that usually goes from 1 to 80, and then the game randomly draws 20 numbers. If the numbers you picked match the numbers drawn, you win. The more numbers you match, the higher the prize. To understand Keno, you first need to understand the Keno card. A standard Keno card contains 80 numbers. Before each round, players choose a set of numbers they want to play. Most versions let you choose between 1 and 15 numbers, with some variants allowing up to 20. Each selected number is called a spot. After the selection is made, the game draws 20 numbers at random. Your winnings depend on how many of your chosen numbers match the numbers drawn. Many online Keno games also display hot and cold number statistics. Hot numbers appear more frequently, while cold numbers show up less often. However, remember that every draw is random, so no strategy can guarantee a win. Keno also includes several different bet types. Here are the most common ones, starting with the straight bet, where you simply choose up to 15 numbers and place one bet on them. Next up, the way bet, that lets you split your numbers into smaller groups, creating multiple betting combinations at once. Additionally, there's the combination bet, where you put several different bets like the straight and the way bet on the same ticket. However you choose to play, keep in mind that Keno is purely a game of chance. Keno is often compared to bingo, but the two games are actually quite different. In bingo, players receive a card with numbers already printed on it. During the draw, they match numbers called out by the host. In Keno, players choose their own numbers before the draw. And finally, a few important things to know about Keno. Never spend more than you can afford to lose. Avoid chasing losses with bigger bets. Every Keno draw is completely random. Play responsibly and know when to stop. Keno is simple to learn, and understanding the basics makes the game more enjoyable.